Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you where's the fuse box located on Ford Transit MK7. There's two fuse boxes on Ford Transit MK7. One of them is here. This fuse box is a system management fuse box, which is you see on here, for the trailer, for engine management light, and basically all to do with the engine and dashboard light on. This is the first fuse box located in the front on the passenger side. The second fuse box located on passenger side. You have to open that, and the second fuse box is there. This is for windows, cigarette lighter, radios, and all the bit unnecessary stuff. So the Ford Transit MK7s have two fuse box. The one inside is for the small bits like cigarette light and earlier I said, and other bits, and the one in the front is for system management. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video is useful.